Right. So videos and audios. Okay, next one. Technology benefits. You will find the timing is given here for individual slides and for the total show, PowerPoint slideshow. Okay. Now we have recorded. Now whatever we have recorded will be found here individually. For each slide, it will be different. You can listen to it. So whatever we have spoken, it is recorded here. Individually, it will be recorded for all these slides. Okay. Now, if you feel that any recording is not good, we can delete it and we can re-record it only for that particular slide. So we go here. Now, without we have recorded, we have this clear option. Whichever slide we are not comfortable with, the audio, we can actually delete it. We can give clear either for the recording or for the narration. Sorry, either for the timing or for the narration or for both. Whatever we don't want, we can actually clear and we can do it afresh for that particular thing also, or we can do it for the entire content. Is it possible to convert the PP to WMA video? I don't know if we can convert it to WMA video, sir, but we can convert it to the MP4 video that I'll be doing it right now. So now we have the audio going on, we have voiceover, and we also have animated content here. This we are going to convert into video here. Now what I'm using is Windows 10 OS with MS Office 2013 version. Here it is possible for us to convert it in this laptop itself without having internet connection. So we go to file. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, somebody is saying something. Is it to me? Yes, Satya, ma'am. You want to say? No, no, it's not to me. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So we go to file. Now here, you can go to save as or export. You can select any of these two options to convert this into video file. Going here. Have this here in PowerPoint presentation. We can go to MPEG video and the Windows Media video. Sir, that you were asking, I think you asked this Windows Media video. This also we can convert, can give whatever format we want this file to be converted. We can select that here. It will take a little bit of time depending on how much time you have recorded this content for. So if it is for more than, it will take, proportionately it will take time. So I'm going to convert this PPT into a video file. So it's getting saved here. Once it's saved, we will have that video file in that folder where I've shown. So meantime, would you like me to explain any of these things again? Or is it okay? So maybe we can save it there, sir. Then Windows media video, that maybe we can say. Whatever file we want, we can save it like that and we'll get that file, sir. And I don't have much experience with Windows Media video because I've been using MP4. I'll check it the next time also, sir. Video, could we have a demo, madam? Adding video. Yeah, sure, ma'am. Recap. Recap of what, ma'am? What particularly do you want me to tell? Everything or just this? We need practice. Exactly, ma'am. We need to practice it every other day. Only then we'll have it. But if you want, I can just tell you again. But just tell me where you want me to start with. Is it with inserting or design or animation? What you want me to do or the entire content? I'll just do it once again. We'll have another few minutes till it is saved. So I can do that. So I'll start from the beginning. So we can create a new slide here and we can choose our own layouts here and design. We can go to form. Okay, we can do anything with the background in format background. We click, will come. Here we can fill it. Whatever we want, we can give. So design. Then transition is for our movement from one slide to another. We can choose any of these things. Okay. And animation. Whatever we have it here, we can do it. Whatever content we have typed, for that we have to give animation first. And then we have to go to animation pan to decide which has to come after which. So here we can give whatever we want. Like if you want to start with the previous, but with some delay timing, you can give us previous and we can give delay timing here. That can be done. And ma'am was asking about inserting video. So inserting video also can be done. Since I have text here, I will not be able to add it right now. So what I do is I go to home, I go to layout, I pick up this one. So we'll have the video here. Now video is this, we can insert video. Now I have a video here. I'm going to check, click this video and add it. So it is added. Now there is a music for that video also. So when we give music for the entire slideshow, there might be a little bit problems. If you want to reduce that, you can reduce it. So we have added the video content here. If I want the screen to be bigger, I can make it bigger. But if you want only the video, you can delete this and you can change the layout and you can have it. So the video is inserted. And we want audio to be played for a particular slide alone, that also we can do it. I want audio to be played here alone, then I can insert audio. It's about a word. So we record audio, we have it separately, and then we actually have it as a file, an MP3 file, audio file, and then we can add it here. Or we can also download it from the net and we can add it. Excuse me. Okay, now I think the file is converted. We'll just go here and see. I hope you're getting the screen where this learning PPT video is converted. Are you getting the screen, the video of what we created now? So we have the voiceover, we have the audio. See, till we click that, our cursor is not visible in the video. Only when we click the laser pointer or the highlighter, it will be visible on the invisible in the video. Okay. So no audio, only video. Is there any space constraint, ma'am, while uploading video files or audio files? Yes, sir. If you're going to upload it in YouTube, we can upload it only for 15 minutes. And for that matter, wherever we upload it, there is the space constraint. Actually, time constraint is there. Sir, what do you mean by no audio, only video? Only video is visible, sir. Audio was not clear. And regarding to the space constraint, time constraint, uh, if you want to upload a video which is more than 15 minutes in YouTube, they'll ask you to link your phone to your channel, and then we can actually upload the content. And there are also other websites where we can record the videos, which we'll be seeing in the afternoon, or now if we have time, we'll be looking into it. Now there, the time is only 15 minutes for which we can record a video. Okay. Audio. Uh, is my audio clear? Can anyone say or put in the chat? Yes, it's clear. Okay, maybe audio was not clear for the content. Okay. Thank you, sir. So yeah, rehearse timings. If you want to have only the audio and I mean the music, the background music, and if you want to convert into a video, then you can do rehearse timing. So it will go slowly as and how you're doing. And then we have finished with record narration. We've also given insert audio and music. Yeah, giving links, I think I didn't tell you, but okay, I'll give you. I'll put a new share. Here we want to give a link. Can have it here. Okay, or I'll give. Now, earlier versions we cannot insert audio or video as we do it now. So what happens is we give hyperlink. Okay, you want to select this. I'm giving a hyperlink, and I can go to any file. Yeah, I'm giving PPT here. Actually, instead of giving PPT, we can give anything, maybe audio or video, whatever it is we want, we can give, and we can give here hyperlink. It will be underlined and the font color will change. So when we see slideshow, here we'll have when we bring the cursor. Yeah, we have a hand symbol here. We click it and it will take us to the link. Okay. This is the PPT that I have had. Right. Okay, now I'm going to. So we have given, we can give links to audio or video files or any file that we want. Whatever file we have it in our computer, we can give. One suggestion here is when we give links to a particular PPT to any file, it is better we keep everything in one folder. We create a folder, we keep the PowerPoint slideshows in one particular folder, and in the same folder, we keep all the files that are linked to that PPT. That way, it will be easy for us. Okay, sir. My speech is clear. Audio was not heard in the PPT. Okay. But we have to keep docs in Google Drive, isn't it, ma'am? Yes, so we can also have documents in Google Drive. But when we are creating PowerPoint slideshows where we are going to do it for the presentation, we can have it in the folder. And if you want to have it, do it online, maybe you can have the documents in Google Drive. So I wanted to show PPT show also because in the last month, when I shared my content in Google Classroom, I gave the students only the PowerPoint slideshows, which were converted to PowerPoint shows. I didn't convert it into video because when you convert it into a video, the capacity, like the file size is bigger. So I wanted it to minimize it. It was like more than 30 MBs or 40 MBs were more in video. So I created PowerPoint shows and I shared it with in Google Classroom. But now the narration is not audible in Google Classroom. So now if you want to give, it is better for us to upload video files in Google Classrooms. It is better that way. So I'm just skipping that content here. Now, for PowerPoint slideshows, we have used Windows. We can also use two more platforms here, Prezi.com and Powtoon. These are actually paid websites, but we can do small things, or a minimum number of templates can be used from Prezi.com and from Powtoon.com. Now, conversion for videos, we have lots of apps. So we have right now we have used Windows. We can also convert PPTs into videos online. We can just Google it and we'll find lots of sites. We can go on and use it. But the audio recording and video recording may not be available. The other thing is Screencast-O-Matic. I don't know how many of you have downloaded it. So we'll come back to this in the afternoon. We are going to go and see Render Forest. This site is a website we have to create and download, and we can download the videos that we have created for free in this particular website. And we have something called as Plot-Again also, where we can create GIFs and videos. Plot-Again is something that we can do it offline, and Render Forest is something we have to do it online. For Plot-Again also, I've sent the link. It is 612 MBs. So if it's possible, you can download it today itself and you can check it. And kindly go on for free versions. We can practice it, and if you feel it is useful, you can go on for paid versions. Now we can go to Render Forest. Typing Render Forest. So you get this site. And as I already told you, it would be very easy for us if we have Google account, because everything is used. I mean, everything uses Google account. I'm going to sign in here with my Google ID. So we have here, we have lots of templates available here. We have actually we've been using images, pictures, and all those templates like callouts, all those things all by ourselves in Windows. Here it is available ready-made. So I have practiced, or I've been using this particular content. So I'm going to show that. So in presentations, we can go on to educational, and we can use this whiteboard animation toolkit. Right now, we can actually create here, go for create now, we can create. There is a guideline that's being given, like how to use it. Okay, and you can have examples from here. So I'm going to go here. Okay, out of these three, I think this comes free of cost. We go here, it is for a paid version. We're going to go here, select add scene and create. So we have so many characters. We can select and have it as the first slide. Now we have a number of templates. We can select whatever we want. Um, okay, oops. Right. So maybe I can select this. So we decide which template we want, and then we can give as insert here. That's here. Heading. We can type the text. Yeah, it will be visible there in that particular box. Then we can give here. Now these videos can be created for our listening content. We can create videos where there is a conversation going on between people, and this we can use it for listening purpose, which will be our own videos. Now the first slide is ready. We're going to go to the second slide. There again, we can choose from what is available. If we want, we can even select the same template and give insert. Okay. Now here we have not given any content, written content. Maybe we can give voice over here about what they are doing. Now for each scene, the duration is given here. If we want to give voice over for a longer period, we can extend this timing to more time. 21 seconds. Maximum time is 60 seconds and minimum is 8 seconds. So we can, I'll give it here as 25 or 32 because we are going to talk something there, giving more seconds here. Likewise for this also, it is 12 seconds. If you want, we can give more. Okay, we can save it. Now we have 2 slides. Now if you want, we can change whatever we want, we can do it here. Overall look and feel, if you want, we can change it here. And, right. Now font is available only for paid version. We go to color. Now the main color is blue. We want, we can change the color. Or here we can change the color. We'll find it will be changed here also. Okay. Now we can add music. See, the main color instead of blue, this color has been changed. Right, now we can add music here. So there are 2 options here. We can add music as well as we can add voiceover. Voiceover we have to record here, and we can select from the music that are given here. Maybe I will go for this. Play and see the audio. Whichever you feel is comfortable, you can select and you can give it here. So add to project, then the music is added. Now we can give the voiceover. Voiceover, we have to give it for individual slides. Okay. Now this slide also we can give, and we can also give for other slide. Okay. Now if we are ready, we can give the record option, and we can give the voiceover. Now we have to remember it is for 19 seconds, so we can give that for 19 seconds. Beyond that, it will not record. So I'm going to record it here. So start. Hi Mala, how are you? Hi Rama, how are you? So it's 7 seconds. You can save it here. Right. Now I've saved it for 9 seconds. This one. The other recording is for previous versions. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to go to this edit. I have to go to this slide and I'll have to record audio for this one. So I'm going to go here. Audio is already recorded for 10 seconds. So I'm going to give it for the other one. So this is for the second slide. You're playing chess. We're going to give it for that 37 seconds. I'm going to record it. Give it for 37 seconds and we can record. Right. Rama, did you see how these men are playing chess? Yeah, I know the players. One of them is a very good player, and he is the topmost in his field. So I'm just stopping here, right? Save. Okay, thanks. Now this will come here, then we can, so it's 17 seconds. This we're going to add to the project. This come here. Once everything is done, we can upload. So If you want to give any video content, we can give, or else we can just stop it with that. Maybe I'll just do it with this. I'll go to preview. If you want to give any video content, we can upload it for the rest of the timing. Now I'm just going to leave that, go to preview. This is a free version with the quality of 360 pixels. Now, do you have, okay, the comments section is very silent. Are you with me? Yeah, okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, it is actually exporting. Now, here we can see that once we have logged in, they'll convert into video file and it will be there in our account. So anytime we come here, we can see our videos. So once we have given it for preview, it will convert and then it will be saved. Okay, do you want me to? Okay, nice one. Okay, thank you, sir. Now this is really nice because we have the templates ready-made, but then again we have to decide where we can use this videos. And I felt we can use these videos in the games. Actually, we have to upload this in YouTube so that we can access it anywhere we want. And we can use it in Kahoot, or there is another portal for for videos and games. It's called as H5P, which we'll be looking into the afternoon. Ma'am, am I running short of time? Is it 12:30 already? Shall we stop here?
It's 12:25, Parvata.
Okay, ma'am. Then I'll just
So
go
5
ahead.
minutes, you can give us the instructions so we can return now.
Okay, ma'am. Then it is a good session, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We are enjoying. Nice one. Okay. In the afternoon, I thought we'll do the screen cast-o-matic. It is again recording video, but we'll be recording our screens. So if it would be better if you want to do it as a hands-on experience, you can create a PPT, maybe with 4 or 5 slides, and we can come back and we can do that. And then there is another app of Audacity that is for recording audio. You can also download that and come so that we can record the audio and we can try to upload it in SoundCloud, because in YouTube we cannot upload any audio content, only video content can be uploaded. We can again do this, we can create PPTs and record audio and we can upload it in YouTube. But then again, if you want only audio content, like maybe you want to use it as podcast, then you can actually record only the audio. For that, Audacity will be very helpful. So I would like you to download Audacity app and install it in your computer. And Screencast-O-Matic, please go on for free version, because Screencast-O-Matic is available for free for 15 minutes of video recording. And I'm sure students cannot listen to any content beyond 15 minutes. They'll feel bored. So it would be better that we create videos of 15 minutes duration. Maybe we can create many parts in that if you want to create videos for more content. Okay, rather than knowing many things and forget all, it is better to practice one and remember and use well. Just a suggestion. Sure, sir. So do you want me to go ahead, go again with this? Maybe we'll repeat this PowerPoint slides again. Is that what you're trying to say? It is a bit Greek and Latin for me. Oh my God. Okay, ma'am. I think you want me to slow down. Maybe then we will do again this PowerPoint slideshows again slowly. You can all do it with me. But are you all having your laptops or computers nearby? I found one of the ma'am said she's not having it. Yeah. So if you want me to go slowly, I'll be happy. I do want this, what Sir Vinod sir is saying, Professor Vinod is saying, that we need to practice one thing very good. Okay, sir. Then maybe we'll work on PowerPoint slideshows and converting that into videos, because that's something that we can do with our own laptops without any net connection. So it would be very handy. Maybe in the afternoon we'll do it slowly, and once you're comfortable, we'll move on to other things. So creating. Okay, sir. We'll do it having only mobile, ma'am. Okay, sir. Sir, if it is mobile, you can actually download Kingsoft Office. Okay, if it is mobile, we can have King's Office software we can download, and there we can create PPT, sir. But I don't know if we can do all these animations there comfortably. Yes, sir. So majority of you, whatever you feel, you can just post it here, sir. So whatever we want. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. If they are willing, they can come, ma'am. We can do it together. All of us can come and do it together. It's up to the participants, ma'am. I just want something to be useful. So whatever they prefer, it's comfortably okay with me, ma'am. Maybe you can suggest some time and we'll come. We'll finish off this, and then maybe we'll go to the other things. Okay, Chandrakala ma'am is having only mobile. Okay, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, okay, so maybe those of you who have your computers, if you're willing and if you want to practice it still more, is it okay if, can you come at 2:30 or 2:15? Maybe that half an hour or 45 minutes we can practice it. The others can join us at 3 o'clock. If you're having mobile phones and you cannot practice it, you can join us at 3 o'clock. Ma'am, will that be okay? I would start around 2:15. Ma'am, it's okay for me if I even to start at 2 o'clock.
No issues that side, ma'am. We have booked the meeting for 6 hours. So there is no problem. Even if you want to advance the session, you can advance it. Say
Okay,
for
ma'am.
2:15 or 2:30. Either way, it is okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Then we'll start at 2 o'clock and until how about 2:30 is okay, ma'am? Okay, 2:30 will start. Any other options that you would like to show? And if you have any doubts, you can come at 2 o'clock. Maybe anybody, if you feel like you want to clarify things, you can come early. But just tell me so that I can also come. 2:30 is ideal. Okay, so we'll start at 2:30 and we'll go again. And we'll just recollect whatever we have seen in the morning, and we can do it slowly. And sir, Rajaram sir has put something. Yes, sir. Make a presentation on all important tools. Yes, sir. I'll be doing it from 3 o'clock. I'll be continuing with the content. We'll go for Screencast-O-Matic and we'll record that video. And we'll also have plot again and we can record that. After that, we'll go for audio and other things. Maybe the games, we'll go for quizzes and H5P. That's all. And regarding Google Forms and blogs, I think it's easy. So we'll just see it sparingly towards the end. Okay, okay, sir. So 2:30. Okay, ma'am. Hema ma'am has said. Okay, so 2:30 we'll meet and we'll just look into what we have been seeing so far. Ma'am, Alagumala ma'am, will that be okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it will be okay.
2:30 sharp we'll meet, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we will meet.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
is there any suggestion or we can just leave the meeting, ma'am?
You can just leave the meeting, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you,
I
ma'am.
will end the
Thank you.
meeting now. You can leave, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am. So I'm getting comments. Thank you all. Yeah, we'll be using Screencast-O-Matic and Audacity in the afternoon. Plot again is a little bit heavy, but if you have net connection and GBs are available, you can download it. It's 612 MBs. Kindly go in for free version of Plot again. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Yeah, okay, so we'll leave the meeting, I think.